Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of off the cuff. Alright, so as you can see, the side skirt never fit because this part of the pinch weld, which could have been from somebody using a jack, a lift, or could have been the accident, I don't know, and at this point don't care. But I bent it down. This was up flush, and I've started bending it back down. I'm hoping that once I can get it lined back up with the rest of the pinch weld, that this side skirt will actually fit. Before, it was not fitting. It was hanging off. The door wouldn't open and close smoothly, but I think we're gonna get this fixed. As you just saw, I fixed the side skirt that was kind of pushed up underneath the door, causing some fitment issues, but I got that taken care of. I got the car pulled out. I think I'm gonna give it a quick bath. I don't think it's been washed in, I don't know, 6 years, at least not a full wash. So we're gonna give it a quick little bath. Obviously it's not gonna do a whole lot of good because there's quite a bit of paint issues, but at least it'll make it look a little bit better. Like I said, I don't have a lot planned for this episode. Unfortunately, the gas station that's about a block away from me had some kind of fire, so they are out of gas at the moment, and unfortunately the car doesn't have hardly any gas in it anyway. So I hope there's enough in it so we can go have some fun here shortly, as soon as I get the car washed and all that good stuff. But we'll see. Hopefully I don't run out of gas, but let's give this thing a quick wash and move on. While I'm in the cleaning mood, I went ahead and started trying to take off some of those old stickers. They're just coming right off after sitting out here in the heat. So we're gonna try to tackle the big Ford sticker. Let's hope that comes right off, but here we go.
Cutting away 70 honesty and all
As you just saw, the car has plenty of power to have some good fun with. We got the car cleaned up a little bit today. Got the terrible stickers off. Just had a good, fun day. Didn't get a whole lot, nothing big accomplished, but regardless, still had a good time. Just to bring you back up to date, it's kind of dark over here, but did get the hood adjusters, the height adjusters put back on, or the new ones. Got the shorty antenna on. What else did I do off camera? Oh, got the battery hold down back on, or not back on, but got the new one on, I guess you could say. I don't know. That's really about it. Just got it cleaned up. I'm so happy to have these terrible stickers off. That one in particular was just dreadful. Dreadful's a good word, but it was dreadful. So we'll get that cleaned up, get this thing re-tinted, get some new paint. It'll be a nice driving little hot rod. Be great to throw some boost at it. Maybe in the future, we'll see. But if you like this video, please hit that like button below. Feel free to comment to give me your opinion on whatever you may have seen in this video. If you haven't already subscribed, I greatly encourage you to do so. Till next time.